Hello everyone and welcome to this video, where we will be discussing how you can make money with ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI language model that can help you with a variety of tasks, including generating text, answering questions, and providing suggestions. But did you know that you can also use ChatGPT to make money? In this video, we'll be discussing some of the ways that you can make money with ChatGPT.
Method 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT is by freelancing. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can use ChatGPT to offer your services to clients. For example, if you're a content writer, you can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality articles and blog posts for clients. Or if you're a marketer, you can use ChatGPT to help clients with their marketing strategies. Their possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can work from anywhere in the world.
Method 2. Creating chatbots. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating chatbots. Chatbots are automated tools that can answer questions and provide support to customers. They're becoming increasingly popular in the business world, and you can use ChatGPT to create your own. Once you've created your chatbot, you can sell it to businesses that need one. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as your chatbot can continue to generate revenue for you even when you're not actively working on it.
Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Lastly, you can use ChatGPT to make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. With ChatGPT, you can generate content that promotes products or services and includes affiliate links. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This can be a great way to make money passively, as your content can continue to generate sales for you long after you've created it.
Conclusion. So there you have it, 3 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you're looking to start a freelance career, create chatbots, or make money through affiliate marketing, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. So why not give it a try and see what you can accomplish? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel.